Come test drive the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, tailgate step, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, power sliding rear window, remote start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.